Hi and welcome to my another video series, Learn Python Programming Language. In this video series, we will learn Python programming language. Python is a computer programming language and it is very easy to learn. It is very most popular language in worldwide and it is widely used for various applications such as web development, data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence and much more. In this video series, we will cover the basic of Python programming and we will move step by step to the advanced structure of the Python programming language. So if you are a beginner, then this is a very great series and it is very great opportunity for you. Python programming language has various applications in the field of web development. It is used in data science. It is very most popular in data science to develop web applications or desktop applications or GUI applications in Python programming language. We can develop a business application in Python. We can process our images or more data in Python programming language. Used in game development, and it is very most popular in the field of machine learning and artificial intelligence. So now in the first section we will understand how to set up the Python environment in your computer or in your PC laptop. We need to set up our environment. The first thing we need to do is to download and install Python. You can download the latest version of Python from the official website. Once you have downloaded and installed Python, you can open the Python interpreter and start coding. Alternatively, you can use integrated development environment, IDE like PyCharm, Spyder, VS Coder, and which provides a more user-friendly interface for coding. So we will discuss it later. In the next sections, we will understand the basic Python programming language, such as syntax of the Python programming, variables, data types. In this, let's start with the basic Python programming language. Python is a high-level programming language, which means that it is very easy to read and write. The syntax of Python is simple and concise and very friendly, making it a popular choice among beginners. We will understand the control structure of the Python programming language, such as loops, while loops, do-while loops, conditional statement such as if statement, switch statement, if else statement, and much more. And then we will move to the next topics such as functions, modules, how to write functions, how to write your own functions, how to write modules, and use a built-in functions such as sine function. These are the mathematics functions, and some more built-in functions such as printing some data, plotting some data, and we will use modules to organize your code. And then we will move to the object-oriented programming. We will discuss classes in object-oriented programming, objects and inheritance in the OOPS structure. Okay now, and then we will working with files and database, how to read files, how to write files, how to manipulate data, and how to store, how to retrieve data, and much more. And then we will move and working with the Python libraries such as NumPy, Matplotlib, Flask, TensorFlow, Pandas, and how it is using in which field these libraries are using. Okay, thank you for watching my tutorial. Waiting for the next tutorial in which we will getting started with the Python programming language. Do not subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you.